Very good morning, learners. Today we are going to discuss logic gates. So, logic gates. Very first, we will understand where these gates are being used. In any of the digital system, one example is your computer. Inside the computer, we are using many types of logic gates. Like if I want to save one bit of memory, then that one bit of memory, either the 0 or the 1, I need a element which is named as flip-flop. The element named is flip-flop, and flip-flop is made using logic gates. So we can consider that the logic gates are the very basic element which is used to make your digital circuits, right? So what the logic gates, why the name given as the gate? Understand that there is a switching mechanism, or there is a gate, we can say, that may be on or that may be off, and accordingly we will get the output. There are two inputs of the logic gates, consider as A and B. These two inputs either may be the 0 or may be the 1. So let us identify what may be the truth table of these inputs. I have two inputs. One is named as A, another is named as B, and I have to check out the output, that is Y. Done? So what may be the number of combinations for two inputs? For two input, the number of combinations will be 2 to the power 2, that is 4. These are denoting the number of inputs. And what will be those 4 combinations? Those are all possible states in which the input may be 0 or the input may be 1. So let us consider first, if both the inputs are at logic 0, logic 0. If one is at logic 0, another at logic 1, this is 0 versus 1. First one will be 0, another one will be 1, and the last will be 1 versus 1. So the possible combinations will be either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1. So what will be the concerned output for these number of combinations? That depend on which logic gate I am going to use. So it is clear to all. This is that IC. This is the IC which is considered as the logic gate. In this IC, there are total number of 4 logic gates I am using. 4 logic gates. So the first logic gate, let us understand now. The first logic gate. Very first I am going to tell you how many number of gates we have. We have AND gate. Second is OR gate. Third is NOT gate. AND or NOT. The fourth is exclusive OR gate. Fifth is exclusive NOR gate. And 2 universal gates I am using. Number 6 and number 7 are either it is NAND gate or it is NOR gate. So we will discuss all the logic gates accordingly. Now come back over here. Very first we have to discuss the AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is 2 inputs. This is the symbolic presentation and the output. So what are the 2 inputs? Either it is A or it is B, and the concerned output will be the Y. The logical operator of this AND gate is A dot B. Dot, try to remember in terms of mathematics, dot represent the multiplication. So the concerned output Y will be the multiplied form of A dot B. A multiply with the B. It is your truth table. The concerned inputs, it is A and B. 4 number of combinations I have. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 0, 1 1. I have to identify the output of AND gate, that is A dot B. All these are representing the output. So now remember what will be the output? 1 0 dot 0 will give me a 0. 0 multiplied with 1 will give me a 0. 1 multiply 0 will give me a 0 and 1 multiply 1 will give me a 1. Here 1 representing the logic. Logic in sense 1 means true case or the state is high. We are getting the voltage at this point. 0 means some sort of false case or the state is at low. So high dot high will give me a high. Second gate is the OR gate. This is OR gate. So OR gate, try to understand. OR logical operator is A plus B. This is a mathematical operator which is the symbol of addition. So 0 plus 0 yani low plus low will give me a low. Low plus high will give me a low plus high will give me a high. 1 plus 0 will give me a 1 and 1 plus 1. There is nothing like 2. Binary says only 0 and 1. So again remember that this is a logic. True plus true. The output will be true. So the concerned output of the OR gate is the 0 1 1. Whenever you are going to discuss any one gate, then just draw all the inputs and the concerned output. I am just clubbing all the outputs here. Third is the NOT gate. NOT is the only gate which have only one input. The symbolic presentation of NOT gate is something like your PN junction diode symbol along with not a line but a bubble, circle, right? So if input is 1, the output will be 0. If input is 0, the output will be 1. This is the case of NOT gate. The concerned input versus output. The truth table says 0 for the 1 and 1 for the 0. So it is the truth table of NOT gate. This is the only gate which have only and only one input, right? So the symbolic presentation we can say at if input is A, then output will be the complementary of A, that means A bar, right? Using this NOT gate, we are going to design the concerned various gates further. So fourth one is the exclusive OR gate. This is exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate. The symbol of exclusive OR gate is A, OR gate symbol along with the circle B. Exclusive OR gate says that all the outputs will be the same as for OR gate output, only one output will get a change. Like for the 0 0 OR gate output is 0, exclusive OR gate is also 0. For the 0 1 case, OR gate output was 1, it was also 1. 1 0 case, it is 1, it is also 1. The output changes only at the last gate, that is 1 plus 1 was giving me a 1, while in this case 1 plus 1 giving me a 0. So compare the OR gate versus exclusive OR gate, 0 for 0, 1 for 1, 1 for 1 and 1 for 0. We can consider the concerned outputs like exclusive OR gate give me a output as 0 when the inputs are same. Same in sense either both the inputs are 0 or both the inputs are 1. Exclusive OR gate giving me a output 1 when the inputs are different, either 0 1 or 1 0. So by this way we can identify the exclusive OR gate. Rest is if I add one NOT gate along with AND, like the symbol is here, this is the output of AND gate. At the output, I have connected a NOT gate. So the concerned output at this point will be the complementary of this one. It will be the Y bar. This complete combination now becomes NAND gate. N stands for NOT plus AND. So the output of, I have to identify the output of NAND gate. This is NAND. If I have to remember the NAND gate, then consider the output of AND. This output will be a complementary one for the NAND gate. 0 0 0 1, then it becomes 1 1 1 0. The complementary version of the AND gate output. Similarly, in case of NOR gate, NOR gate, in case of NOR gate, check out the output of OR gate and do the complementary version. 0 1 1, that gives me 1 0 0. This is the complementary output, and I can show this complementary output at A plus B ka whole bar. Similarly, at the AND gate, this is A and B ka whole bar, right? The next gate is exclusive NOR. In case of exclusive NOR gate, check out the output of OR gate and do the complementary version. 0 1 1 0 will give me a 1 0 0 1. Done? So these are all the gates output